Shylock's Defense by William Shakespeare. To bait fish withal, if it feed nothing else, it will feed my revenge. He hath disgraced me, and hindered me 500,000, laughed at my losses, mocked at my gains, snored my nation, rothered my bargains, cooled my friends, hated my enemies. And what's his reason? I am a Jew. Hath not a Jew eyes, hath not a Jew hands, organs, dimensions, senses, affections, passions? Fed with the same food, hurt with the same weapons, subject to the same diseases, healed by the same means, warm and cooled by the same winter and summer as a Christian is. If you pricked us, do we not bleed? If you tickle us, do we not laugh? If you poison us, do we not die? And if you wrong us, shall we not revenge? If we are like you in the rest, we will resemble you in that. If a Jew wrong a Christian, what is his humility? Revenge. If a Christian wrong a Jew, what should sufferance be by a Christian example? Why revenge? The villainy you teach me, I will execute, and it shall go, but I will be better the instruction.
Very good. Pero yung buhok mo ba't